Good evening, I'm Heather Armstrong.
And I'm Dustin Lukey. Mother Nature's fury on full display this afternoon. We're seeing some of the effect already.
Now this video coming to us from a storm chaser with our affiliate, the Weather Channel, showing a farm building damaged not far from Oakdale. You can see the path cut by the storm.
Earlier, the interstate was closed for a time for a pair of semis apparently overturned by the strong winds. And videos showing the funnel clouds coming in from viewers as well. The National Weather Service confirming a tornado did touch down in the Tomah area. Now, we do have a reporter out in that area and do expect to learn more as well throughout the evening.
Well, this, of course, follows storms that knocked out power for a number of folks in the La Crosse area earlier this morning.
Certainly a busy weather day.